Hey everyone! Today we're diving into the best gadgets on Amazon. From must-haves to hidden gems, we're exploring the top-rated tech you need to know about. Let's get started. Don't let the bulky exterior of this polisher fool you. Inside is a quiet, powerful motor with a power range of 200 to 320 watts, allowing you to control speeds from 1,750 RPM to 8,500 RPM. This versatility makes it easy to fine-tune to your every need, from polishing delicate jewelry, necklaces, gemstones to mechanical parts. It's even precise enough to be used as a dental lathe. With its smart design, every operation is intuitive and safe. The speed control knob is completely separate from the power switch, giving you precise control without the worry of confusion. It also comes with mounting holes and an angle bracket to keep the motor base stable for a professional grinding and polishing experience. Whether you're a jeweler, a workshop professional, or just a DIY enthusiast, this machine is a great companion that doesn't take up too much space on your workbench. A small machine with incredible power, ready to help you make any dull surface shine like new. The 1/2 horsepower 2-speed induction motor delivers smooth performance and consistent torque, making it easy to handle both low and high speeds. When you need to sharpen a woodworking tool's edge, the low-speed mode is perfect. On the other hand, if you want to remove metal quickly, the high speed will meet your needs to the fullest. The machine comes with 2 white aluminum oxide grinding wheels with 80 grit and 120 grit, which minimize heat buildup during grinding, protecting the workpiece and tool from burning. In addition, 2 independently adjustable die-cast aluminum tool holders allow you to easily compensate for wheel wear and set the correct grinding angle according to the job requirements. The sturdy cast iron base with mounting holes helps to firmly fix the machine, reducing vibration and movement during use. The machine is also equipped with a polishing wheel, allowing you to perform versatile polishing tasks. If needed, you can replace it with a brush wheel with a shaft size of 8 inches by 1 inch by 5/8 inches, expanding the application capabilities of the device. Delivering exceptional performance, this drill delivers 20% more power and 35% more runtime than its 20-volt competitors. It also maintains a steady supply of power without memory loss after each charge, keeping you ready for any task. This hammer drill driver is equipped with a 20+3 position clutch and 2 speeds, combined with a variable speed trigger for precise control of drilling and screw driving in a variety of materials. When drilling through concrete, brick, or masonry, the hammer mode delivers powerful drilling force, making the job easier than ever. The modern motor design not only provides powerful power and high torque, but also ensures quiet operation and long motor life. You can easily switch between 3 working modes: drill for making holes in wood, plastic, and metal, drive for tightening screws and bolts, and hammer mode for drilling through hard surfaces like concrete. In addition, the built-in LED light illuminates the workspace, allowing you to work easily even in low light conditions. A powerful, versatile, and reliable tool for every job from DIY to professional. The Astro AI tire inflator features dual power sources, allowing use of both a 120-volt outlet and a 12-volt port, meeting the needs of inflating at home and on the road conveniently. It flexibly switches between modes, ideal for car tires, motorcycles, bicycles, and small sports equipment. The high-flow mode quickly inflates large items such as air mattresses, saving time. With OmniVent technology, the improved heat dissipation system provides long-lasting operation, along with a metal motor and cylinder that allows for up to 15 minutes of continuous use. In high-flow mode, the machine reaches 350 liters per minute, while the high-pressure mode can inflate from 0 psi to 36 psi in just 6 minutes, suitable for cars and SUVs. It also features LED nightlight, digital display of pressure, auto shut-off, and memory function to remember preset settings. It supports 4 pressure measurement units, suitable for various standards. It is truly a reliable assistant for every journey. So, click the link below and subscribe to the channel to discover the latest products to upgrade your life. This low-speed grinder is equipped with a powerful 1750 RPM induction motor with a rated power of 3/4 HP and can reach a maximum of 1 to 1/4 HP, providing stable performance and high durability. It comes with a premium 1/2-inch ultra-wide WA grinding wheel, making it easy to operate with maximum precision. With a super bright 3-button LED light and separate switch, you can easily see every detail during the grinding process, even in low light conditions. For increased accuracy, the angle-adjustable safety glasses are equipped with a 3x magnifying glass, allowing you to observe more closely. The high-grade cast aluminum tool holder can be adjusted from 0 to 45 degrees, providing maximum flexibility and support when operating. This machine is also designed to ensure maximum stability with a sturdy cast iron base and anti-vibration rubber feet, helping to reduce noise and limit movement during use. In particular, the safety switch has a key lock, preventing unauthorized operations, ensuring safety when working. The UUP tool belt is ergonomically designed with a strap that adjusts from 31 inches to 48 inch, suitable for a variety of waist sizes. The quick-release buckle makes it easy to put on and take off. 3 removable pockets allow customization according to your tool-carrying needs. The highlight is the strong magnetic ability. The areas on the hammer holder and the front of the 2 pockets have super strong magnets, helping to hold metal items such as nails and screws without fear of falling. With 26 pockets and 3 magnetic zones, this belt provides spacious storage space for many tools. Not only spacious, this tool bag is also super durable. The belt is made of high-quality Oxford fabric with sturdy seams and metal rivets at the stress points, ensuring long-term durability. The belt is thick, wide, and breathable, reducing pressure on the waist. This is an ideal gift for electricians, repairmen, construction workers, and DIY enthusiasts, suitable for home improvement projects or as a practical gift for loved ones. This saw is designed to provide maximum precision and superior convenience during work. The fence is aligned parallel to the blade, ensuring each cut is fast, smooth, and precise without any deviation or vibration. Flexibility is also a big plus. The legs can be quickly folded, making it easy to move or store when not in use, saving a lot of space. The machine is capable of cutting materials up to 4 by 4 inches at a 90-degree angle, making it easy to handle thick wood panels. 2 fixed stops at 0 and 45 degrees, along with a quick-release lever, help you change cutting angles flexibly and quickly. To keep the working area clean, the machine is also equipped with a smart dust diversion system, which puts sawdust into a container for easy cleaning, minimizing dust flying around in the working space. So, click the link below and subscribe to the channel to discover the latest products to upgrade your life. This kit is a great helper for anyone who is passionate about working with electrical wiring systems. The crimping pliers are designed to work quickly and powerfully, crimping a variety of heat shrink connectors without damaging the insulation. The strong clamping force holds the wire firmly during the connection process, ensuring safety. Each crimping tool has a different color, making it easy to identify the size without guessing. The special feature is that the wrench automatically adjusts to the thickness of the connector, ensuring each crimp is up to standard without complicated adjustments. The star wheel also fine-tunes the crimping height, ensuring optimal pressure. The heat shrink connectors have a 3:1 shrink ratio with an inner adhesive that melts when heated, creating a perfect bond, preventing water ingress and abrasion, ensuring maximum durability of the connection. This kit makes handling your wiring needs easy, fast, and professional. If you need a reliable toolkit, this is the choice you cannot miss. This drill features a 1/2-inch chuck, extending its application from drilling large holes to tightening screws and bolts with ease. With a 2-speed drive system and 20+1 clutch, you can adjust the speed and torque according to the job at hand. Durable metal gears ensure consistent performance in harsh working conditions. The drill is compatible with more than 75 devices in the PowerShare 20 volts, 40 volts, and 80 volt ecosystem, saving on battery and charging costs. Flexible speed system supports adjustment according to drilling and screw tightening applications. Built-in LED light provides superior illumination when working in dark environments. With a compact 7-inch design and weighing less than 2 pounds, this is the lightest drill in its class, making it flexible and easy to operate in tight spaces. Grip Zone technology provides a firm, comfortable grip, allowing you to work for long periods without fatigue. A powerful, versatile, and durable drill, ready to accompany you on every project. Designed to speed up work and optimize clamping processes, this tool is perfect for repetitive and precision work. Thanks to the Smart Cam locking system, you can clamp and release quickly, saving time while ensuring stability during woodworking. The product is equipped with a standard 5/16-inch 18-threaded insert, compatible with many different types of fixtures. Along with that, the safety-activated cam lock helps to fix tightly and release smoothly, creating a smooth, uninterrupted workflow. Versatile application in many projects. This is an ideal choice for clamping firmly on milling tables, drill presses, T-rails, as well as supporting work on workshop tables or DIY projects. In terms of durability, the premium die-cast aluminum structure, combined with a wear-resistant blue anodized coating, ensures long life and stable performance, even with frequent use. If you are looking for a fast, sturdy, and convenient clamping solution, this is the right assistant to help improve work efficiency in your workshop. Have you ever encountered a screw that is stripped, rusted, or stuck so hard that it cannot be removed with a normal tool? The bolt biter is the tool to help you solve this problem quickly and easily. With a tapered input design, this socket set can firmly grip the damaged pins, helping you to remove them without drilling or cutting or wasting effort. Not only that, the smart dual-size design allows it to be compatible with both SAE and metric screws, so you don't have to worry about screw inconsistencies. Whether you are a professional repairman, mechanic, or DIY enthusiast, the bolt biter will be your reliable assistant, saving you time, effort, and ensuring your work always goes smoothly.